it and still be an uptrend because this is the bottom of the swing. I do I do bodies. So this is the bottom of this swing. Like when it ran up, it pulled down into here, it ran up. So we can easily come and tap this and still be valid. But I really want to see it just come into here, this daily fair value gap, if anything. Because this little swing right here is so shallow. But I'm not going to forget that this right here, it failed to break this body. And this is on a 4-hour. So being that this failed to break this, if this is really strong and it held beneath here, like in a strong way, then I can see it coming down. Because it's creating that information. And the bottom of that information is truly down here. But I will mind you obviously. If anything, it's probably gonna come tap this sometime.
Bless me.
God bless you.
Okay.
So we don't see. It might even do it now because it took, look at that. Yesterday's close could have taken, look at that. Look at that. Yesterday's close. I just wicked it. I just wicked so pretty. And then it might come up. So yeah, see. That was nice. So we closed the gap on Friday. We closed out the inefficiency. So I'm about to get rid of that. What about that?
So our daily ATR is 200 points. Our daily ATR is 200 points. We got one move. 200 points.
I'm just gonna try to come here.
Yeah, pretty much one move and that's it.
It's coming down to the daily mid gap, the midline, and then going up to all-time high. Well, even by side, that's still under 200. We got a weekly fair value gap forming, but I want on to this week is over. It might just come down and overlap this with, and if it does that this week, then it won't be a. We'll have to wait till next week to see if this stays a weekly fair value gap. But it might try to come retrace with a scandal this week. What was that? 121. What the heck was that?
Quick refresh.
Okay.
Quick refresh. Quick little refresh. No harm, no foul.
Oh, and then I refresh and look at the candle. We might just end up coming down here since daily gap this week. Screw it. This is weekly. The candle just flipped. It was a bullish candle, now it's a bearish candle. So far, so if you're bullish on the week, I probably think Monday and Tuesday you're probably gonna come down here, even possibly down here. Try to come down here. I don't know because these 2 weeks are strong, so it might just come trying to overlap these wicks and then continue up. Or this week could just be a down candle and then the next candle go up. I don't know, but the way this little week is starting, it looks like it probably want to come down here. Up there. I can't be doing the Johnny crap. I just know we better not stay in this little weekly, this daily range from Friday. I don't want to stay in that candle. Friday's candle range. I know we better not stay in there playing. Because I will literally close out today and not trade nothing. But you said we got room.
Who said we got room?
You did.
No, I didn't say that.
The daily, you said we got room. We
We
got some room to do some things.
we oh, well, no, I didn't. I said the daily ATR is 200 points.
Right. We got some room to
The,
do some things.
the daily ATR is 200 points, and we already moved 100 points. We have
But does that count pre-market?
yes, yeah.
It does.
hmm
So what that means is they can actually come up, they come up here, or they can just come down here. But we still got another 100 points.
But that's not a lot. 100 points is like it's like a move is like what, like 70 points.
Look at this. Down to the daily midline gap is 106 points from where we're at right now.
That's cool, but that's not good because we don't. I don't expect. Not explain it.
Explain it to me.
Because we still like that's one move. If we don't do that move and let's say we chop or we do whatever, like then you have one chance. Like we still have to wait for it to set up. We still have to wait for confirmation. That's not a lot of. By the time you look at it all, that's really only like maybe like 50 points, which is still something. But that's still something. But if you miss it,
with same contract is a $2,000.
no, it is. But if you compare it to like last week's price action and the weeks before that, we'll have like way more room. But you know, just means that we gotta be tight on our risk.
Yeah, I got a 4-hour break right here. So like the 4 hours creating our midline for this information failed to make a higher high, a body high, like it failed it right here. So if we come down here and get the closing beneath this 4 hour, yeah, this definitely will play out. But
Scared, bro.
to the midline, let's see. But I got that 4 hour marked up. So open, might come up when we test that. Hourly break at 260.
All right, what are my trade ideas?
The other hour break right here. The other hourly break is right there. It could reject here. I'm just doing right there. Yeah, this one. The chef. I put a key in there. Oh, sweetheart. He said, "Really, PKO last night. I took my side of mine. I already had it. Yeah, he was in the bed sleeping. He slept in the bed last night. I was surprised. I thought he was gonna get up. I was worried about it. Like I kept like checking. Like I don't want him to get up and jump off the bed and use the bathroom. But no, he was knocked out. No, we're not making this a no, we're not making it easy. He can break his fucking leg. Let him break the leg. Like, no, we're not making this easy for him. It's like, oh yeah, focus on carpet. That's good. So he was knocked out at the bottom of the bed, and then he'll get up and come like in between me and Martin, and then he went back and was knocked out. And I was surprised. I was like, okay.
It's a low volume note.
What do you He just might be since he's not touching the dry food at all. Put some water in it. That's what I was thinking.
Vix is
And
bullish,
he's
bro.
teething really bad. Nope.
Vix is bullish. I think I might do this off open. I won't lie to you.
Value gap, so I'm watching that. But we got like a little one up here. Market opens in less than a minute. I'm gonna find out the win trade on my combine before market opens. I mean, I want practice. I should take it on my combine. Let's see. Yeah. So is it okay if I can take that dog out right now? Take him outside? Yes. When I you gotta put a leash on and you gotta pick him up. Make him look like that. He's not even showing us something online. He did. I took him outside.
Let me call you back.
Yeah, on that. Production that? Okay.
Hold on. Open here.
Push to fulfill after that.
Hold on, bro. These ones are too cheap. Hold on. These ones are too cheap. Too cheap. Wow.
Oh, hey, what you been up, Marley?
Need a pullback.
wants to play. Don't piss me off. I bet money. Money.
Okay, orders to buy. Low volume no down there. Looking for the rejection. Waiting for it to tap. So like 314. Okay, orders to buy. Six one. Okay, orders to buy. Well, we can come down. Which probably might not. Might just trade zero DTE, man, but that's stupid. This is like literally 100 1K orders to buy at the top there. When the control's there too. I'm waiting for it to fail. I don't. That's not likely. At the top, it's kind of crazy. And then we haven't broke out yet. All these 1K orders to buy, we haven't broke out yet. That's like sellers there at all-time highs. All-time highs is really close. And ES is nowhere close to those highs either. It might break though. It's ADXN.
Sorry, there's a lot going on here. ADX is in follow through mode. It's at 29.
5.
The London high is at 309. Outside high is at 3. It just took London high.
Did it? I
Yes.
think it tapped it, right? Oh no, it took
Yeah,
it.
it tapped it. It tapped London high.
Spare system T. Yeah, it's just picking up speed now. Fortunate. How many 1K orders is this? Fortunate, man. I was waiting for that to come down. I bought it. Unfortunate. It's close to all-time highs there.
Yep, 320.
Yeah. Another 1K order again. About to take all-time highs there.
Oh,
Took it.
there it goes.
Unfortunate.
Let's see what it does now. I don't even like it's unfortunate. I get excited. I want to see what it does now. Let me see you about to come reverse on me. Come on. I'll take the sell side down here. I'm just gonna wait it out now. Every time I go swimming, I promise you, I don't be hurting. We closed beneath it though. The all-time high. We went above it, but we closed on a tick chart. We already closed beneath it.
Some sells there at the high.
Yeah.
Which makes sense. Bearish S&T. Tap the 1 minute gap. I don't know if I'm too interested in that. There's barely any volume there at the high.
Our last down candle on my tick was 293. So I'll be looking for a break of that. We got some fair value gaps right here. Let's see how it acts in there. We just inverse one to the other one.
Should act as support. One of these, this one that we just tapped in. Should act as support.
It did. It went all the way out of it, and then it closed the net line. I'm just watching it. My ADX is kind of like flattening out a little bit at 34. It just took my time. I don't know where it can go, so I'm just waiting my butt off. Let's see. I want to try to catch a sale somewhere. If it shows me one.
That was a poor. Like I definitely could have gotten that. Like I wasn't ready for that trade. Should act as support and it did.
I think she gave me an entry because I literally said it. I'm like, when it come down here, it did that efficiency, and then it took yesterday's close. I'm like, it can reverse up and go take London's high. And it did that. And then it also took all-time high, but it didn't give me an entry on the tape. Like, I had no down close candle to even do a freaking recess. I could have went lower on my tick charts, but I'm trying to stick to my 5,000. It just broke all-time high, closed above it, and retested it, like, perfectly. But I'm not touching it because I don't know. Like, I don't know where. I think people be using like them extension. Do you be using those, like the extension, the fib extensions or something to like see where it can go?
No.
Yeah, I don't use it, so I know ICC was talking about it, but oh, because yeah, his page is shut and nobody's on it.
Low volume at the top. So this might be a good sell.
You said what?
Oh.
What you said?
So low volume at the top. Some sellers there. The highs could be a good sell.
Break my last down close candle body, which is 315. They had a breaking calls for me. If it does that, like break close and reset 315, unless it makes me another down candle, and then push up a little bit, and then I'll look for it to break down.
Yes, it's better take this high.
That's what I'm going to look up. I'm say later. Okay, later. Well, I mean, we're not doing nothing. I'm just waiting. You are you interested in buying? Because I'm not.
No, it pisses me off
What?
when I'm literally saying it, bro. I'm about to, but it just doesn't. Whatever.
I'm not afraid about to happen. Just wait.
But there's low volume at the top there, so it just suggests that like we're still, we could possibly like this low volume and it's buyers are not uh accepting that price. So if the sellers step in, I'll be a sell for me. I'm waiting for it. Just because we ran, and there's nothing wrong with running, but I'm not seeing any like buyers stepping at the top. Look how many sellers is at the top right there. Buyers don't want to accept price higher. Yes, they are. Almost 1K orders to buy right there. Let me see it. Wait for the new 15. Sellers are still taking over.
Yeah, it's supposed to get close to 10. It's getting close to 10 too. So I'm just looking for reversal play.
Okay, orders to buy. 125 point candle on a 46 point ACR right before ES6 to high. I'm curious. Just wait.
If this candle closed like an up candle, it just created my next level of breaking structure, which is 336. I'm looking for it to break that, put it downside. If it breaks into.
This is my fault, bro. This gap, this 1 minute gap right here, it's happened. I can't. I just can't. ES just took all time highs. I can't like. I can't even be mad at myself. Like I can't even blame the market. I'm literally blaming myself because this was the entry. Low volume though. Tapped the 1 minute gap. It's okay.
You said ES just took it out?
Yeah.
Yeah. ADX is at 47.50 is cautious. So up is at 48 now. Yeah, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill and wait and see. And it's just like, and then just everybody like you get in right here, and it's like it just starts falling. Are you feeling FOMO at all?
Me?
Yeah.
Not really FOMO, but I'm just a little disappointed.
Yeah.
I literally watched this come into the gap and I didn't take anything off of it. Smallest gap ever. No risk on the table.
But I mean, that's hindsight thinking. Like
No, it's not
beforehand,
hindsight.
you didn't know it was gonna keep going up. Like
No,
just
it's like I had
huh?
everything lined up to for it to do that. I just watched it do it. Just watched it happen. Anyway, I'm gonna wait for 1 minute gap here. I don't
It
know.
is at 49. We're about to be headed into reversal brushes mode. So like if you was in this trade, this could be scaling out. Looking for it to reverse. That's what I am watching.
1K orders to buy at the top there. About to be another couple more 1K orders. I don't know, man. ATR limit is close.
Yeah, ATR is. Oh wait, no, it's you. I thought you said 88.
About to be a couple more 1K orders here. Let's see. 950. I believe it, man. I believe it. There you go. 4K, 4, 5, 1K orders to buy. I believe it. Taps that 1 minute gap. I'm buying that. Right before a new hour, I believe that. 3, here we go. 6, 1K orders to buy. 28 points. I believe it.
Next is at 51 now, and my tick chart's going up. We are in a premium.
It's only buyers right here. Only fans. It popped up. It's a high volume node here. So we could spend some time around here, no problem. Waiting for it to come back down. No, look at this. Whoa, accepting it higher. Right before new hour, new 5. I'm buying that 100%.
Hmm.
I mean, I believe it, bro. Like, I don't know. It's just, this is what I was looking for.
It is.
I mean, after we took the high, move, not 100 points, we took the high,
10 o'clock is normally our biggest candle.
71 points. Yeah, I mean, I
Normally, 10
respect it,
o'clock is
man.
our biggest 4 hour candle. Even if it push up a little bit, I will believe in my mind. It'll be like it's pushing up to make the top wick for this 4 hour candle. That's what my mind will be thinking. I'm really waiting for it to sell because they're about to go to a 4 hour candle. I don't want a new one at that.
Yo, we're coming down and we're still, okay. What is this? I'll put a stack in there on the sellers. Put a stack in there from the sellers. Finally decided to show up. See what happens when we tap that 1 minute gap. Just watching it.
Macro.
I believe it, bro. I believe these buyers, man. I believe it. Look at this. Still 1K orders to sell, even though we didn't. I mean, to buy, even though we didn't. I just want that 1 minute gap tap. It's a low volume note. Looking for a rejection. It's a good place to buy if I'm a buyer. But the gap is too huge. See, now we're in this. Well, this is a high volume node right here. Went from all the way down here to up here. So price could spend a little bit of time. I don't want to trade around there either, even if it breaks the high. It's unfortunate.
I can definitely see it breaking it, but I just think it would be like to do a wick on the 4 hour. I don't know. I'm just gonna watch it too. We got our body high at 382, and it looks like it's like we're having a hard time like making making a new up game. I didn't check it out. Rex is at 51. We're definitely slowing down now because the candles are coming really quick, and now my tick candles are coming slower. It's taking time to make a new candle.
I just have that 1 minute gap. Just watching it. Barely any orders to sell. 100% of buy right before a new hour. VIX has room. Tapped it. Watching it. Here we go for the break. Can we get tapped it? Watching the 1 second. Wow. E5. Love it. Love it, bro. I love my inability to execute. Love it. 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 This is why you manage risk, bro. This is why you manage risk. Like, come on. That's why you manage risk. That's why you get in with manage risk. You don't wait for a time, bro. Oh, opportunities are drying up. That was a 30-point move. Right on the tape there. Should not be reacting like that after taking the high, so that's good. I can see the cells now. Let's see what happens at point of control. Just waiting for new hour as well. I can see the cells 100%. Crash right through point of control and there's no more barriers. So it's just stacking. This should support price. It's not. It just went straight through it. Went and it popped up, took liquidity, came right back down. Should have supported price. Didn't. Red candles. Nah.
Okay, I'm back. You see? If they're breaking close below 366 and hold it, yeah, so. But if not, I'm completely okay with just walking away on the day and come back tomorrow.
Whoa. Yeah, the cells are trying. They want the hour.
So let's just see if this one. If it's gonna break and close above 392. It's 10 o'clock. So wake of the 4 hour candle. Is that what we're doing? Is that what we're starting?
Non-hoarding orders to buy at the top. Yeah, this is strong.
Well, I don't see what you see, but yeah. Where's the ES look like?
It's breaking too. It's following price.
I don't like the formation is the same as this in a way.
Yep. Buyers at the sellers at the top there again. Mm. not a fan because it's like we're breaking the high 9 points and then coming down, breaking the high 6 points and then coming down. Momentum is dying, and there was a whole bunch of sellers there right before it broke the high. So definitely curious. I say I'm looking for sells, but I definitely wouldn't mind it pulling back. Oh, I just have the 1 minute gap there again. See how it does when it takes the high. Right on the tape. Right on the tape. Close to that, yeah, we're close to that ATR limit, so I could see a sell, honestly, but yeah,
The way you're just rejecting that on this tick is crazy. Even as it's doing these stairs, it's like I'm seeing these little like, okay, if it break 388, if it break 371, but like overall, I want to see it break 366 for it to even be a sell for me.
not coming up. We'll see what happens when it tries to break this high again. If it doesn't, I think that's my sell. Let's see what the VIX has done. Yeah, VIX is going up now. So that's so unfortunate. Like, how can I have everything in my favor and I didn't execute? Like, holy, that's so bad.
What stops you?
Nothing. Like, I was just waiting. Like, I guess I just didn't want to be wrong for real. But I was just being patient, which I can't blame myself. Like, there's nothing wrong with being patient, but that's really unfortunate. How did I have everything in my? I mean, the VIX was in my favor. CLT data was in my favor. Uh, the strength was in my favor. It just went, gave me a fair value gap. It gave me an entry. Actually, I'll take it. Anyway, this is coming down now. I am looking for it to rebalance a little, and there's barely any buying right here. I want to see it break point of control though. I want to see it crack through point of control. It's 2K orders to buy right there, so I want to see it crack point of control. Once it cracks point of control, I'll be a little more confident in the sell. But right now, I don't know. Just strength. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Surprised you missed it.
It didn't give me an entry. It didn't give me an entry until it took all-time highs, and I wasn't getting it. It literally did a break and recess on it, and I was not. I don't know how to trade once it goes over the all-time highs, but I don't know where it can just decide to revert from. I'm just gonna wait for the reversal play. If it don't come within like this morning, then I just have to something around like that.
Better break the high again, I think.
No,
It didn't. Did it?
it tried to.
Yeah, it's getting weak, so we could definitely. I'm waiting for the once it like once it's gonna pop up one more time. Take the high, and that's gonna be like the liquidity sweep, and that's what I'm getting for myself.
I don't like it. I gotta see something happen for me. I'm liking a 388 break. It's definitely showing weakness though.
Yes, it's pulling back a little bit harder than Nasdaq. Yeah. So like the 5 minute candle on Nasdaq is green, but on ES it's red. All right. Once we take the high right here, I'll be watching that. So see how it breaks. Should pop and drop. We're approaching that ATR limit, and that's yesterday's high. Yesterday's high? What am I? Oh, I'm tripping. Today's high. What am I talking about? Did it take it? No. Look at how many orders there is to sell at the top right there. 500 orders to sell at the top. Once it cracks that high, it's gonna do like one more push into the high. It's probably gonna like gap up or something. Then boom, I'm selling that 100,000 million%. Watching,
Oh,
watching it. Almost. It's gonna take the high one more time. Gonna do a quick, and then once it does that, selling it. Right at the ATR limit. We're running all day. We can rebalance some in this range. 20% at all-time highs. Oh yeah. It's gonna give it to me. Come on.
look at that. 388. See a break and close it. Then give me a retest. The next break is 371. Like I need a retest. So
We're in a 1 minute
like
gap.
look at that.
We're in a 1 minute gap and we're tapping point of control where the 2K orders at. So I'm waiting for it to take the high. That pull down to me just confirmed like if it takes that high again, 100,000,000% I'm selling. 100,000,000% I'm selling. It just needs to take that high. If it doesn't take that high, I don't really like the. I just don't like the.
It's retesting, but it's not retesting the way I like it, so I'm gonna wait. Do you see it?
I'm not on my computer. If it just takes that high, but just a little bit of, just a little bit, 1,000,000%. 1,000,000% I'm selling it. Just a little bit.
I might do like a little bit of contract. And I pay like my structural rate at 366.
It's gonna be bearish S&T as well. It just needs to attempt to break it one more time. Fail. That's it. Bearish S&T. I'm watching this thing. ATR limit 200 points. We're literally right there. So we don't have much room left. How many points on this daily? 109. Bro. Man. Watching it for the break of the high. Yeah, the cells are acting up there. I just needed to take the high. Now I'll be so confident.
Go buy on my practice because I like that concept.
Respected this 1 minute gap, but the volume is definitely like it's definitely to the like look at hold on. Let me look at the point of control. Since yeah, look, it's all the volume is all at the top right here. All of it is at the top. So why are we you know what I'm saying? Like why are we at the top? Why is it at the top? That's strange. So definitely could pull back now. I just needed to take the high. For the break here. Yes, it's not showing any willingness to take the high. Take for the high. Can we get it? Here we go. For the break. Nice.
Order filled.
So that's exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. Now our order is to sell. It's a new 15. Yikes. 1K orders to sell. I just saw that. 1K orders. I just seen it. That's it's about to go down. ATR limit. Pretty much hit. Or that target. The range. Target maybe that high here. I don't know where I'll target on this thing. Where would you target?
Um, my targets would really be like all the cracks of like the steps that we took to get up here. So 366, probably like if I was in it, I would take some off of there. And then I would just keep going down like, okay, 336 is another one. But overall, mm, we have that big old candle down here at the bottom. Overall, I really want to see Asian Rose, which is 204. But we have a humongous fair value gap down there by the hourly break by 268. Have a big white candle. Up candle. And then we have another big up candle like around 354-ish. So those are like my big key points I'm watching. But like, you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay. I look for big breaks. So like this is my line break, like my neck break. I want to see it take this. When it take this, I'm really confident in the sales because I can see it coming here, bouncing, doing bounce crap, and then finally breaking to go. And then this was my down candle, so that's that 336. And then we have one right here, which is the 315. But then we have this humongous candle right here that hasn't been tapped into at all. And that just happens to line up with this hourly for value gap. So I'm watching that. The buy side that we took, we actually like retested it right here. So I'm not too worried about that one. But I'm watching it because the 80X is starting to come down and this is taking a sweet time. So I can just see it playing in this. I really want to see it break these because that's the neck. Once they do that and break that, it's like I can see it just flooding down. And like I said, we got Asian low down here. And that's down here by the 4-hour breaker structure.
For it to take Asian low would be kind of insane.
It would be, wouldn't it? But we have a 4-hour break that we never retested on a 4-hour at 304. So 304 would be my first hardcore TP. You see it right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so when we came up, we pulled back, we broke it. So I want to see it pull back into that. So that would be my hardcore. But yeah, look at it. It just came in. Look, you see right here? Right here.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I said it was iffy. Remember, I just told you, like, I want to see it break this and break these. These lines are here for a reason. Look how it just tapped it. It just tapped right in there and went up. But that's because that's these little parts that we're consolidating. It has to get through all this for me to get in the first down, for me to be confident. And that's that 366 number. Like, it has to break this. Because it's just playing. And how it just came and just with that and did that shit. We got a trend line forming on my tick chart. So we just did all that up. We got like this little trend. So I want to see it break this trend as well. They break that trend line, that'd be good too. But then it's breaking like the structure that it was going in. And then I'll probably want to see it come and tap this 366. If anything, at least tap it. And then it could break it. Internal wise, I won't want to get into a broken. And now I'm number 25 points. It's a Monday. No, we ain't got no news.
Oh, they're stacking up there at the high too. Wow. Bars are stepping back in. Interesting.
I think I'm about to lock it in. I don't want to like get the urge to like want to trade. Honestly. I feel like PM is gonna try to fall. I feel like PM gonna give us the move to fall. PMI this week, jobless claims this week. Oh, and I don't think you're. I think that might be the day you're not true. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, we got PMI and jobs this coming. How you feeling over there?
Chilling, man. Like like I still think the sell's here, but I don't like how ES is so strong. But I don't know. Like that could have been the move, like that run higher, but that's a little too strong. And I don't know. This
Like draw this from trend line and wait for that trend line break. A trend line break or retest. Um, will be pretty good because of how it's performing right here. Like on my tick, it's like we have all this bullish momentum, and then we get up here, y'all just playing. It's just like like it's just doing this. And I feel like once it finally breaks, it's gonna be like it's gonna go fast. It's gonna go hard.
like we just hit the daily ATR. Like that was the daily ATR right there. That's the limit.
And then look at how it happened. And it so happens that it's like I got this right here. Got this other break right here at 393. So
Small case so just got absorbed. Yes, it's taking the high again. No, they didn't. Yeah. Yes, it's taking the high again. That's unfortunate.
like we got a third value gap right here, or we're dipping back into all over again. But then it's coming back down here. I'm gonna see why I would do that when it already respected the midline. I'll be watching that.
Yes, it's
If
now.
it inverse it, then sure, that's that trend line too. And you said E as well.
You just look strong. As like it's now looking weak.
I'm like feeling a sell, but I'm not. It's like I'm feeling a sell, but my confirmations ain't there right now. So my mind is like, let me just get it on my practice account when I feel like because I don't my confirmations ain't there. Like it's not lining up for me to take a sell on my combine, so I'm not doing it on my combine. But I feel the urge to take a sell. If it rejects force well, I'm getting for a sell on my practice account.
Yes, it's taking the higher. Mhm. Okay. Let's see the 5 minute. Yeah, yes, took the highest bearish for some T. But yes, Nasdaq should follow, right?
I don't know. If it can't get above 412,
Yeah, yes,
it's
it's
on the
running.
hard touching 412. 412, which is a body break. Um, that's why I got in for selling my practice because it's looking weak, like it don't want to.
So gay, bro.
I don't want to see it close above 412 at all.
Expected that woman to gap. Just because we're at the ATR limit, I'm not really feeling this. Like we're literally at the ATR limit. How can I say this is gonna be a buy? That would be pretty stupid of me to do that. Just selling it back into the range would be more important to me. But we just demand here. Just 500 orders to buy. I'm sure it's more now. 700 orders to buy. I don't know. It's unfortunate. Oh well. I'm not
I'm
mad
not getting
about
it from above. Screw it. Just lock it. Come back tomorrow. I don't want to get chopped up in this mess. They keep thinking it's gonna sell, and then it don't sell like when I want it to, and then going
1K
red, and
orders to
then
buy.
for it to finally do it, and then I'll be like scared.
1K orders to buy. $15 off that high. It's a new 15. So annoying, bro. What? Man. Can't make this up, huh? Oh, wow. I mean, I was right here with it, too. All this. How many points is this? It's 118 points. Fantastic. got issues, bro. Like this is clearly the buy. There's so much going wrong. So why can't I do execute correctly?
I was asking you what made you seen the setup, you seen it happen to and respect a fair value gap. So I understand, like, was it close to was it already too far up? Was it close to
I just wasn't prepared for
lines
it.
already? Or
I just wasn't prepared for it. I was like, I didn't like give myself the go ahead to buy it by the time it got there. Like it happened so quickly. Like by the time I realized that, oh, we're at that fair value gap, it already went. And selling this would be pretty stupid. Like look how strong it looks. I tried though. I already did.
even like stare at it? Like, I don't know. I would like set some. Cause you're about to go to work. I would like really just like, okay, let me set some parameters of like what I want to see, and then like if it does it. Oh, excuse me, Teddy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Why the fuck did you do that?
You want to
$1,000.
take you outside? You want to go outside? No, I could drop her just yet. I'm home.
Order filled.
I got to come out like at 6 a.m. Mm-hmm. Sorry. No, I don't need that. You should fucking get it. Hey, sister. Don't jump on me, too.
Man, that VIX. What? That VIX comes in handy, buddy.
Y'all better go far. You don't follow him. You lead the way. I'm scared. He just peed again. That's what he was doing, too.
Wow. I'm so disappointed in myself. I'm just so disappointed with that. That is what blows me so much. The times where I'm supposed to be executing, I'm not executing. The times where like I'm not supposed to be executing, I'm executing. Can you imagine? Like,
I can, because I've been there. I have literally, like, caught out a whole play and watched it go without me. Like, literally watched my entry play out. I think I did that, and I was on the phone with you, and I was telling you, I'm like, I just watched it play. I caught it did it, and I just watched it go. But you can't beat yourself up about it. You gotta just, like, literally, it's like a mind frame thing. So you gotta, like, flip your mind frame so you'll catch it next time.
man, it is what it is, but that's so disappointing.
I don't know, you wasn't prepared for it, yeah, but I know you don't have a problem with pressing the button. So maybe it could be just because like you just blew XFA, so you could be hesitant, like cautious in a way.
I just wasn't prepared for it. Like I saw the 1 minute gap tap into it, and I was like, yeah, I don't want that one to get tapped into. I want this one to get tapped into. But I was like looking at other things, and I didn't give myself the green light to buy it. So I was thinking like, okay, like I reported it. We'll see. How unfortunate. How unfortunate. It's just so unfortunate. Like I literally, like you can't be any closer.
Wash your hands and get him some ice to put in his bowl.
I can't be any closer to generational wealth. Like holy. Everything aligned, like COT aligned, VIX aligned, A plus setup, fair value gap, momentum is there. Started running. You can't make that up. I'm not trying to short a strong move. I already tried it. Didn't work out clearly. So
Yeah.
I'll just be dumb if I keep trying to short it. And then I know we're at a daily ATR. So all the opportunities are
That's why you
gone.
should just, yeah.
All the opportunities are gone. Holy, bro. What the fuck? I just literally just let all this shit pass me by. What?
He's little, so that's enough for him. Oh, but down here, I want to see what they eat, Mama. What did you so much?
Wow. Wow. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what's the weather like?
It's currently cloudy and 79 degrees. Expect partly cloudy skies starting in the evening. Temperatures are heading down from 80 to 73 degrees tonight.
Thanks, Siri. Wow. Wow. Even shorting that was like kind of ballsy of me, I won't lie to you. But that's up. Can't complain about it.
What? It looks like now that sell-off might just be trying to come now.
I don't believe
They
it.
break 402. 403. Break it and might close it. That's what that trend line needs to cut too. It's all pretty acting right there at that 403.
Yes.
Today was just weird. I don't know why I feel like today is setting up for the rest of the week because, like,
Today was not weird for me. I just didn't do it. It
I
just
feel like they
like
have no news. They run up like that, no news, take all-time highs, even though we got, like, PMI and everything. Later this week, like, it's Monday, and no news.
so I don't understand. Like, are you saying that because like I thought you said you don't like look at news or whatever?
But
So
news still move the market. So when there is no news like that on a Monday, I'm asking myself, why is it taking all-time highs with no news?
News
No,
don't move the
nothing to
market.
push it there.
News don't
Why did
move.
it just run like that?
News don't move the market. Like, I think we know that.
You said what?
So news doesn't move the market. We
But
like
that's the thing. But it does, like, it creates the momentum volatility. Like, it just has to. Like, when we know news is coming, it's like PMI. Like, I know, like, I might just trade like Asian the night before because it be moving nicely. Like,
be
the
moving
way it
before
moves is
news.
nice. But I'm saying, for it to be no news, for it to be nothing, and it's a Monday.
I'm telling you, bro. Like I be seeing this happen all the time. Like no news Monday, it be work. I've seen this happen multiple times where it be no news and you be thinking, oh, nothing's about to happen. Boom, it starts running. I be trading. I notice it. I'm not confused at all. I be seeing it.
How often? Because Monday is trickery day. Even
It's
ICD
not
says,
true, bro.
like, if you're a new trader, don't trade Mondays because Mondays it's foolery. It's trickery day. It's the first day of the week, and I don't know. I don't know why
You
it's
said that a
doing
couple
this. I don't
times.
say you're bullish on the week, but I feel like
Telling you, bro. Like it's not. See, the thing is, right? You don't know things like news is you like we're talking about news coming out, waiting for this news event to come out. All these big firms and institutions, they already know the news. They already know the news. They already are positioned way before
they're
you think.
positioning themselves right now.
Exactly.
Listen,
That's
we
why
didn't
it's
even think
moving.
about it. We just ran an all-time high on a Monday, like, for no reason. This is a premium. People are here trying to buy in a premium, but why? Where they're positioning themselves for later in this week. Like, I don't know. It's my mind is telling me like this today is BS. It's a reason why though, and what's the reason?
Yep. I I I mean, hey.
We got that daily share value gap beneath us.
I don't know. I just
Like,
I don't know what to say, man. I'm just saying I'm bullish on the week, and it has every reason to keep going higher. Like I don't know, I don't care what the news is.
we gotta just keep making all-time highs.
Yes, I'm not saying that we're not gonna get any pullbacks, but you're gonna see like the weekly candles gonna be bullish. And it's because I've seen this multiple times happen. COT data, VIX, everything is in its favor. Like just gonna keep taking highs, and that's what like. That's the thing. All time highs is gonna keep taking all time highs to it. We did it last week. Did it? We're gonna do it again this week. But it's for a reason. I don't know what the reason is, but it's doing it. I can't deny it. Can't deny it till it happens.
I'm gonna see if they're gonna do it like on Wednesday or they're gonna do it on like a Friday or something. It's gonna do it probably one of these days. They're gonna sell. They did a beautiful displacement candle and then retest. Like when I say displacement candle for me, it gotta like break up. It gotta break a lot of structure for me with a big old like displacement candle. And yeah, and did it and it retested it.
E15.
My whole little practice account getting on close. I got it at 405 on my practice.
That's the point of control. We just tapped again. Just because we're at that daily ATR limit. That's why I'm like, a sell would make a lot of sense here. But I don't have an entry, and then the entry I did have, it stopped me out. And there's no way I could have held that 15 points. No can do. And it took it again. No can do on that either. I'm showing that 1K orders to sell. It's a little mixed now. 1K orders to sell here, 1K orders to buy here. A little mixed. It pulling back isn't the end of the world. Too cute. Set volume proof. Just set.
Idiot, because at 31.
Today was the day. If I had chose options, that's so funny, bro. It's so
What were you
funny.
looking at? Central with cheese. What were you talking about?
I wanted to buy call on options.
Right, and you was like, it's.
I was just waiting for a
They was
specific
like,
entry. I was waiting for a specific entry and never gave it to me, and then I just let it go. Because with options, it's like your entry really matters. Like it really matters. But then I didn't want to be
Why did you
biased.
tell me it didn't? I thought you told me like I need to look for it or listen to it.
Yeah, your entry matters, man. You just can't. If you're wrong, look at this. Look at this sell, man. Look at this sale. Look at this sale. Look at this sale. Had the right idea, but just wrong timing. 15, new 15. I should have known. New 15 would have done something like that. Not the spike I was looking for. This was a spike I was looking for at 10:20. That was a spike I was looking for. Double top. Oh, well.
Unless you want to take back a little trade tonight on the 8th.
Nope.
Hmm?
Nope. That's what I'm saying. Like all this trend line, break stuff. It's like you would damn near miss the whole move.
Trend line break happened at 105. Yeah, the trend line break happened at 405.
But that's the thing. Like, where would you now put your stop?
Stop is above that up candle, and that's at 414. I put all my stuff and I base it all on my tick chart. So tick chart might give you like a tighter stop. Um, because I see that price already respected that area. So I be feeling comfortable putting my stop there. Um, but we're like right back at that 388, 387 area where it wicked into before it shot up super hard when you got into that sell. So now we're right back where you were at. And it's still showing resistance right there, like they kind of don't want to do it. But if it does break it hard, I want to see it go down to 366. but it has to get through that. Like those are tough areas. 388 and 366 are really tough areas.
Crashing through point of control. Unfortunately. No entry for me.
Breaks and hold it. There it goes. Pretty close to the 388. No retesting it now.
Might be going on fast.
Like that 387. Look at that. And did it again where it came and touched that 388 and shot up. 388 is strong. What does ACR say when they get down there by that 388? Like, what does it show?
The ATR?
I mean, not the ACR. Your volume profile. Like in that 388 area, what is it showing? Because that area is very strong. That's where it went up from last time. It shot up.
Yeah, that's where all the buyers were stepped in. Like that's like how many 1K, like there's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like almost 6 1K orders down there. So I'm not surprised. Like we're in between buyers and 1K buyers and 1K sellers. So this just looks like it's just gonna chop, which is so unfortunate.
Finish up to the PM. It's going to gather up all the orders and it's going to drop PM session. How much on the back?
Whatever, man. Oh, so stupid. I hate trading.
Motion.
It's a 5 minute gap there. Testing that trend line again. Or I guess not.
It hasn't even got to the trend line for me. Where's your trend line now?
No, like this is a fair value gap. This is where I would get in if I would try to
I see respecting them on the 5,000 tickets one way through too. Is respecting it 2,000.
an hour. I don't know, man.
I'm not like it. It's going to retest 403 because it never retested it. It broke it and never retested it. What you're trying to do right now. I'm going to add it to the trade. We'll find out.
The gap is holding right on the tape. The hour coming up. Tapping point of control. It's just not weak yet. It's like everyone is seeing this and they're buying it. It's not weak yet. Well, it's not ready to go down, I should say. I want to see where this comes down to. I'm very curious.
I wouldn't think it would get weak until they break 366. 366 is the neckline of this move.
Mm-hmm. It's new hour. You said tick chart is slowing up?
Hold on. Hold on. TikTok is literally showing a nothing but a sell. It came like a retest at 403. Um, Now I want to see it break that 897 area. I said 897. Oh my goodness, 387 area, and really push down to 366. But they gotta close a little bit. Hold on for one. Why are you mad at her? She acting like a furry. Make her act like a furry, Justin. That ain't hurting me. I'm trying to figure out why you running around turning on lights like you pay the electricity bill. 387. They're like able to try to again right now on the tick chart. The speed is picking up on it. The way the candle is moving. The break.
Right on the tape. I'm targeting that hourly gap or something. In midline of it. Said 2, 3, 29.
Got you. I got myself at 305. I got it for the 4 hour break and retest.
Okay.
304 is the 4 hour break and retest. So I have mine set for there. So that's another number you can look out for. But this has to close beneath 387. Like it has to. There it goes. It just closed now. And then it might try to retap it, but I do want to see it after that. It has to close beneath 366 to continue. Because that's the neckline. It might try to pull up. At 366 to make the
A lot of buying right here. There's still buying interest here. Can you imagine?
It still has to stay beneath 387.
1.7. 1.7. Wow.
I like the way that the value is picking up right now. I like that. Straight rejection of the 387. I like the chart.
Jeez.
371 is the next area. It might like try to do a little pullback on, and then 366.
2.9K orders, bro. 2K orders. Yeah, no, this is not it.
It has to stay below 387. I'm not liking it if it's not below there. It took forever to break it, so I don't see what's the point of going back up unless it's just trying to grab worse. Or if it's swept internal sell side
I did.
at 379.
Yep.
It swept that.
Yep.
But I wouldn't even look for a buy until it went above 395, closed above it. So it might just be doing a retest of 390, which is a like mini break of structure. Like mini.
Point of control. If I don't reject there, then that's not. That strength, man.
I got looked out quick. It's about that 395. But it didn't close above it on tick. That's so corny. Sunshine.
And look, you can talk. The team coming up. The 15. The 5. Damn, I gotta go.